It is such a beautiful weekend for the Bay Area with mostly clear skies, dry conditions, no rain in sight, and temperatures a little bit above normal. What a great day to be outside and enjoy yourself. But there are a few concerns. First of all, there's a flood alert, a flood advisory in effect. So Bay shoreline locations could see some minor flooding this morning. That's along the Bay shoreline of the San Francisco Bay and the San Pablo Bay and even parts of the North Bay as well. And the concern is not rain. Obviously, we've had no rain. How could there be flooding? Well, it's because high tide. High tide is at 9:25 this morning in San Francisco, and the high tide will be 6.81 feet. So some areas could see some minor flooding. It's not a huge concern, but be aware of that because if you're going to a park, if you're parking in a parking lot, some of the roads even could be seeing some minor flooding. So if you see barricades, don't go around them. You don't know necessarily how deep the flooding might be. Another concern is a high wind. We have a high wind advisory for the North Bay Hills, the inland hills, that is, for the East Bay Hills, also for the hills of the eastern Santa Clara mountains, and also for the Santa Cruz Mountains. And so that's 20 to 30 mile per hour winds with gusting to 50 miles per hour in some of the upper locations. Great day to be outside because the air quality is beautiful. Unlike our friends and neighbors and family in Southern California with the terrible air quality because of the fires, we have terrific air quality. The northeast winds, the Santa Ana winds are pushing all of that smoke away from us. So you see it's very clear here, but you go down towards Southern California and the smoke is so thick, unhealthful, terrible. But those northerly winds are pushing some of that smoke all the way down to Baja California and all the way out to sea. So for us, it's great. If you're heading out this morning, though, it's a little cooler than yesterday morning, especially in the North Bay, down 13 degrees in Santa Rosa compared to yesterday, down 14 for Novato, but it's not cooler everywhere. San Francisco up 4 degrees and up a couple of degrees also in Half Moon Bay. So our temperatures right now, if you're about to head outside, not exactly hot. Some areas in the 40s and 50s, but if you still linger in the 30s, Petaluma 35 degrees and ditto for Santa Rosa. So you might want to grab a jacket. All right, let's take a look. We're looking for rain, no, but we are seeing the offshore flow of wind, and we see a low area cut off from the jet stream, and that is going to be scooting right across Southern California out to sea, and that will tighten the pressure gradient as once again we have high pressure. Here, low pressure. They're very close together, and that means that the winds start to really push together. It's like a funnel, and all of a sudden the winds pick up again. So we have more Santa Ana winds for Southern California and more Diablo winds for us. In the future, so the rain continues to go well up above the ridge. It stays with us for the rest of the week in various locations. In terms of temperatures today, it's warmer than normal, not quite as warm as yesterday. Just about everywhere in the low to mid 60s. I'd say El Granada 59 is maybe the aberration, but as you head toward the Bay shoreline, numbers in the low to mid 60s, 62 in Burlingame. If you head down toward Palo Alto, we're in the 60s, also 64 there. South Bay locations, warmer, 67 from San Jose and Santa Clara, and the East Bay, again, everyone's in the 60s. Mild conditions, not many clouds in sight. Whether you're in the East Bay or the North Bay, Sonoma 64 degrees and San Rafael at 64. Next 7 days shows a cookie cutter kind of scenario here. Sunny just about every day, a few extra clouds heading into next weekend. Temperatures still slightly above normal and trending just a little bit cooler as we head toward next weekend. Stephanie?
All right, Kathy, thank you.